Garfield, I'm home.
Oh, what an exciting announcement. It'll probably be on the news tonight. John is home, film at 11.
And you'll never guess what I bought.
The entire nation of Bolivia?
A new bathroom scale.
That was going to be my next guess.
It's a talking scale. It calculates how much you should weigh for your height, and it predicts your fortune, too. I'm going to weigh myself as soon as I get out of these heavy clothes.
No point in delaying the bad news.
One at a time, please. I don't do drugs. Let me guess. You're an ocean liner, right? Get off! Get off! Get off! Thank you.
All right, no kidding around. Let me have it straight.
You are 20 pounds overweight or 9 inches under tall. Your fortune is you will be splutted.
Splutted? What does it mean, splutted? Ah, splutted. All this scale needs is a little tampering with.
Well, let's make sure that I'm still at my ideal weight.
You are 50 pounds overweight. Your fortune is you will go on a strict diet.
50 pounds overweight? How could this happen? I am going to go on a strict diet. Garfield, you're going to help me. Will you make sure I don't eat too much?
Oh, I suppose so.
Are you sure this is what the diet book says I get for lunch? 1 lettuce leaf?